Hello everyone, I am Shashwat Mukherjee from Techno India University. My ID is 18100402043. Today I am going to discuss about future trading or option trading, and in this between which one is preferable. So here we come with the introduction. Deciding whatever to trade futures contracts or futures option is one of the first decisions a new commodity traders need to make. Even experienced commodity traders often waffle back and forth on this issue. Which is the better method for trading? Contracts and options both have their pros and cons, and experienced traders often use both depending on the situation. Other traders like to focus on the one or the other. It's best to fully understand the characteristic of each when you decide how to trade commodities. From here, it's just a matter of using the strategies that make the most sense for you. And what is trading futures? Future contracts are the purest vehicle to use for trading commodities. These contracts are more liquid than option contracts, and you don't have to worry about the constant options time decay in value that options can experience. Futures contracts move more quickly than options contracts because options only move in correlation to the future contract. The amount could be 50% off for at the money option, or maybe just 10% for deep out of the money options. Future contracts make more sense for day trading purposes. They're usually less slippage than there can be with options, and they're easier to get in and out of because they move more quickly. Many professional traders like to use spread strategies, especially in gain markets. It's much easier to trade calendar spreads, buying and selling from front and distant month contracts against each other, and spreading different commodities like selling corn and buying wheat or whatever. So, and the next one is trading options. So what's that? Many commodities traders start with other options contracts. The main attraction with options for many people is that you can't lose more than your investment, but the chance of ruining a negative balance is slim. If you only risk a small portion of your account on each trade, trading option can be a more conservative approach, especially if you use option spread strategies. But call spread and bear put spread can increase the odds success if you buy a longer term trade and first leg of spread is already in the money. Future options are a waste of asset. Technically, options lose value with every day that passes. Just as the time decay of option can work against you, it can also work for you if you use an option selling strategy. Some traders exclusively sell options to take advantage of the fact that a large percentage of options expire worthless. If you have unlimited risk when you sell options, but the odds of winning on each trade are better than buying options. Some option traders like it that options don't move as quickly as future contracts. As you can see, you can get stopped out of a future trade very quickly with one wild swing. Your risk is limited on option so that you can ride out many of the wild swings in the future prices. As long as the market reaches your target in the required time, option can be a safer bet. Next one is both features and options are derivatives. So think of the world of commodities as a pyramid. At very top of the structure is physical raw material itself. All the prices of other vehicles like future options and even ETF and ETN products are derived from the price action in the physical commodity. That's why futures and options are derivatives. Futures have delivery or expiration dates by which time they must be closed or delivery must take place. Options also have expiration dates. The option or the right to buy or sell the underlying future lapses on those dates. So which one is long versus which one is short options? Long options are less risky than short options. All that is at risk when you buy an option is the premium paid for the call or put option. Options are price insurance. They insure a price level called the strike price for the buyer. The price of the option is premium, a term used in insurance business. Commodity option prices are premiums, reinforcing the nature of price insurance, but they become the insurance company when you sell an option. The maximum profit or selling or granting an option is premium received. An insurance company can never make more money than the premiums paid by those buying the insurance. Commodities are volatile assets because option prices can be high. The price of an option is function of the variance of volatility of the underlying market. The decision on whether to trade for future or options depends on your risk profile, your time horizon, and your opinion on both the direction of market price and price volatility. Okay, so I hope I can clear the point of whether option trading is good or the future trade is good for you. So now it's your decision to whatever you like to choose. So thank you for staying with me. Hope you have a good day.